Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Happy holidays! In this DIY vlogmas, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the pom-poms I used for the Santa hat I posted yesterday. So you guys would learn how to make this pom-poms. It's so easy. So this tutorial is going to be very quick and easy so you can learn it in the fastest way possible. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Please like the video, share within and outside your circle, and let's get into it.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we.
And guys, this is what it looks like. I told you guys it's going to be quick and easy. It was very easy to make. Before I made it, I decided to just show you guys the process of how I made my own so that you guys will learn everything in one go. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for your support on my channel so far. From your super thanks to you watching my videos, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it in and outside your circle. Comment in the comment section whatever you want to know. I would be ready to answer. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's season's greetings from me to you, Lara Savage, signing out.